doing a lot today. Yes, I join my respected High Majesty to say we will invest in public school. We will also invest in private school. Nigeria is the country that say they have universal basic education. And if you want to practice universal basic education, in its real term, what it says is that we have a budget for each child. And that budget, what we'll do is that if Pesetas is a private school, we will make sure that we'll give Pesetas the budget we have for each child. Their parents can add more. That is how you implement it. As a governor of Anambra State, I did not have anything called private school or public school because the children are not private. They remain the children, our own children. So when people tell me about private school, I say, well, it doesn't matter to me. When I equipped secondary school with computer, when I bought buses for them, I gave it to private schools as well. I said, if you want, go and establish one, but they are educating our children.